Next, I want to show off some of the fun new features we have added to WeatherTrack.net that are focused on optimizing irrigation management, or helping you efficiently find what you need to find, or do what you need to do on WeatherTrack Central. The first feature we want to highlight in this discussion is the new Multi-Controller Station Group Management tool. This feature allows a user to create and make changes to a group of stations from any set of controllers in their WeatherTrack.net account. The best way to describe how this feature works is through an example. So, if it was time for overseeding, and you wanted to turn all of your cool season turf stations from fully automated to user mode, you would first go to the Manage page on WeatherTrack.net. Once there, select any controllers that you want included in your group and push the Create Station Group button. There is no limit to the number of controllers that you can select from your account. Choose as many or as few as you like, from whatever customer or site that you want. After you select the Create Station Group button, the site will load a complete list of all the stations on all of the controllers you have selected. The second step is to use our filtering tool to create the exact station set you want in your group. In our overseeding example, you would filter by plant type. So, you would click on the box under plant type, type in Cool Season Turf, and the system will clear out all of the stations that do not have that feature. If you wanted to add a second filter, you could filter by sprinkler type, or one of the other 11 variables in the scheduling engine. But let's keep it simple today. After you have selected all of the stations you want in your group, you add a group name and group description and click Save. Now you have your station group. The final step is to do something with the group that you've created. To do that, you would press the Batch Action button, where you can effect an identical change to all of the stations in a group. Like in our example, we would change the station mode for all stations from fully automated to user no ET. Remember that all of the individual settings for both fully automated and user no ET are saved on a station-by-station basis. So when you switch back and forth, the individual station settings will be put back into place. There are 7 separate changes that you can make with a batch action, including station mode, percent adjust, sprinkler efficiency, and others. The ability to manage program settings on a large scale will increase your efficiency in programming and ensure that all of your desired stations are touched, reducing the time spent in the field making changes. Another exciting feature we have added to WeatherTrack.net is the ability to manage the full suite of flow features from your office with our Remote Learned Flow and Remote Alert Clearing. This feature allows a WeatherTrack user to initiate a learned flow test from the web, making it easier to capture the flow values close to the time when irrigation is expected to run. The difference between daytime water pressure and nighttime water pressure can sometimes change the flow of a station. So, with the ability to start this test from the web, we can run the test closer to a late night start time and capture the flow information under the expected irrigation conditions. Once the learned flow test is complete, you can use the results to manage your global settings and make changes to any single station results. This will help to diagnose and resolve any flow issues and make your irrigation management teams that much more efficient. As always, we continue to work at incorporating your feedback to give our users the best experience when using WeatherTrack Central. This means not only adding new features, but it also means improving the function of the features that we already have and making sure we keep our product moving at the speed of technology. Some of the ways we have done this are enhancing our compatibility with Internet Explorer 9, adjusting the reports to highlight the important information, and a few other performance enhancements. We also made the displays on our Alerts and Operations dashboard interactive, so you can jump into the details of those displays when needed. For example, if you are showing that you have 3 controllers in the off position on your controller status summary, you can click the off bar inside that report, and you will jump to a page that details exactly which of your controllers is in the off position. With the 4 WeatherTrack.net updates we released in 2012 and more to come in 2013, we strive to refine the tools we provide our users to improve the efficiency of their water management teams. By using the best tools the industry has to offer, our partners continue to lead the way in landscape water management.